If you'll be struggling on how to make your party a Riro, then this video is for you. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef Bosse, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your tasty and delicious Riro without stress. Let's get right into it. In the pot, we're just going to add our red oil to it. Allow our red oil heat a bit before we add our blended pepper. Mind you, your pepper should not be smooth, it should be a little bit rough. After that, we're just going to add our locust beans, also known as Riro, to it. Then stir together a bit. And then allow it to sit for just some few minutes before we add our seasoning cube to it. Then this is our grated ginger and garlic, like blended ginger and garlic. Then mix together. Then seasoning salt to taste. Then mix, allow it to sit between 5 to 7 minutes on a low heat before I go in with my protein. So I added a little bit of cow meat to this and also some fish to this. Then just mix this together again. So while this is frying, this is our efo shoko. Mind you, this is already boiled and sieved. So at this stage, I'm just trying to drain the water before I add it inside my sauce base. So after adding it, I'm just going to mix this together. And then I'm going to add my remaining seasoning to this. Which is our sliced and grated onion, crayfish, and then a little bit of water to loosen it up because it's too thick. So mind you, feel free to add the quantity of water depending on the texture you want, because I don't want my Riro to thick, because like I said earlier, it is for party. And at the end of the day, this is what we have. After mixing it up and allowing it to be on it for between 4 to 5 minutes. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.